Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this is our second video, okay, for the video request for some of the settings here for the Huawei Band 7. And this time, okay, received several queries about the AOD or the always on display. So the wearable or the Huawei Band 7 supports always on display. So I'm going to show it to you here. Just go to the settings here, go to the display, and we have the always on display here. So just pick several always on display watch face here. Okay, let's, for example, we have here the time filter. Just tap on it. It says here this will cut your battery time in half and disable race to wake. Okay, so we have, okay, did we activate it? Okay, so we have again. So let's wait for just a few seconds and it will activate the always on display. Okay, again, based on our observation for this one, the AOD or the always on display deactivates when you are not using your fitness tracker. Okay, so the display screen here turns off when, okay, you are not using your fitness tracker. So it automatically activates again this AOD or the always on display when the wearable sense that you are using your device. Okay, for the battery for the always on display, okay, I have been using this one, the band, for 5 hours now, and the battery is still at 55% capacity. Before, it is at 59% capacity with the always on display. Okay, after 5 hours, okay, or 6, it is at 55% capacity. So it decreases your battery life, but it's only minimal. As you can see, Huawei says it will cut your battery life in half. Okay, so the battery life for this one, it is around, I think, 2 weeks of battery life based on our test. Okay, we have fully charged it, and for almost a week we have at least, I think, more than 50% battery life. Okay, so if you're going to use the always on display, I think you will have at least a week of battery life in always on display with the, of course, normal usage. Okay, but if you want to disable this one, just go to the settings again. Okay, go here, tap on display. Okay, let me focus on this one. Okay, tap on display, tap on always on, and just remove it. Okay, and of course, just adjust the brightness settings here, as well as the tap on this tap to wake the screen. Okay, so we also have the advanced here for the screen time. Okay, so that's it for the AOD, the always on display function. Again, it is okay. Okay, I like it, but of course it will decrease your battery life. Okay, but I think it's just a minimal issue. Okay, the effect on the battery life, as you can see here, it is just 50%. Okay, and if you are not using your wearable, it automatically turns off the screen. Okay, and if you're not using your wearable, it automatically deactivates the always on display. But if you're using the wearable, the AOD comes back or turns on. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.